logics. In the previous class we have discussed about the C new line characters. Today in this class we are going to discuss about the C comments. Already I am going to write the comments. Okay, I am writing everything inside the comments itself. Okay, for that only we are going to learn about today what is meant by comments. Okay, yeah, let us start our discussion without any late. And also we have completed um, programming till program number find program sorry program number 5 to find the largest among three numbers. Today in this class we are going to discuss about the C comments. Okay, let us discuss the C comments. Let me yeah C comments are notes for humans. They help explain code and make it easier to read. Okay, C comments are useful for the humans itself. Okay, whenever we are going to see some code which is written by some other person, we may get confused without understanding of that code. In that situation, these comments can be helpful to make us understand the code easier. Okay, yeah, they can also be used to temporarily disable code while testing. It means, what is this line means, while you are doing programming, you need to verify some part of the code of that program only. You don't need each and every part of the program to be verified by you at some point of time while coding. Then what you are going to do is, what the code that you don't need to check or to execute, that code will be commented and remaining code will be executed by you in that situation. So in that situation you are temporarily disabling some part of the code, right? So for that situation also you can able to use this comments. Next, comments can be single line or multi-line comments. Comments can be single line comments. It means we can make a single line as a comment, or we can make multiple number of lines as a comment as well. Okay, let us see those thing in the upcoming. Yeah, remember, comments are ignored by the compiler, so they do not affect your program's output. Okay, comments are ignored by the compiler. It doesn't show you any error or warning. Okay, and it doesn't affect your program output. It just simply for make you understand what the program is all about, what the program that you are going to write is all about. And also uh, comments are used for the temporarily disabling. Next, single line comments. Let us discuss about single line comments. The single line comments start with the two forward slashes. Okay, two forward slashes. It is going to start with the two forward slashes. Any text between two forward slashes and the end of the line is ignored by the compiler. Okay, this example uses a single line comment before a line of code. Let us see an example. This is a comment, printf hello world. Okay, so let me show you. Before that, I am going to use comment over here. I am closing the comment. Okay, so this is the code which you have written here. Two forward slashes indicates the single line comment. Any text between two forward slashes and the end of the line, okay, will be treated as a comment. Here the comment is, this is a comment, okay. This is how we are going to incorporate comments in the C language. Next, this example uses a single line comment at the end of the line of code. Okay, this is one way of writing comment, in which we have written comment in one line and statement in other line, right? So now we are going to see another example in which single line comment is used at the end of the line of code. Okay, it means, see, we are going to see another example. Printf hello world. This is a comment. Okay, I am going to comment it. So if you are going to see this example, we have written a printf statement, semicolon, semicolon. If you are going to put the semicolon, it means this is the ending of that particular line. After ending of that particular line, we have used the comment by specifying the two forward slashes and have written a comment as this is a comment. Okay, this is one way of writing comment. Next, you can also use uh, this particular comment, single line comment, to disable single line of code. Okay, let us see how we are going to use this comment to disable a single line of code and execute remaining part of the code. Okay, yeah. Example: printf hello, printf this will run, printf this will won't run. Okay, let me execute this for you. Okay, this is the code which is printf this will run, and another is printf this will not run. Okay, to use printf you must need to include standard input output library. I am going to include standard input output library, and every C program will started with main function, right? So I am indicating the main function. I am opening the flower braces and closing it. So now this code, we are going to execute this code. Okay, we are going to execute, sorry, this part of code. See, if you are going to see the output, it given the output as this will run. Okay, there are total two printf statements over here. One is commented and another is uncommented. The uncommented printf statement output you can see in the console or the terminal window. Okay, this is the uncommented printf statement. For this, we got the output as this will run. Okay, it means we have disabled one part of the code or the one statement of the code, right? We have disabled this printf statement, that is printf this will won't run, and we have saved the code and compiled the code. We got the output as this will run. Okay, like this we are going to disable some part of the code when required by the programmer. Okay, this is how we are going to disable the code temporarily. If we want to disable permanently, we just delete it, right? We just remove that particular line from the code, right? So next, sorry for the disturbance. Yeah, next we are going to discuss about multi-line comments. Till now we have discussed about the single line comment. Those are the forward slashes. Two forward slashes indicates the single line comment. Now we are going to discuss about the multi-line comment. Multi-line comments start with forward slash asterisk and end with asterisk forward slash. Okay, yeah. Any text in between these two, forward slash asterisk and asterisk forward slash, will be ignored by the compiler. Okay, any text in between these two will be ignored by the compiler. Next example: the code below will print the hello world to the screen and it is amazing. Okay, see, let me do one thing for you. I am going to comment everything. I will tell you what I am doing. Okay, see, this is the example, right? This is an example. This is an example. This is the code. Okay, this is the pseudo code. If you are going to take it, here we have multi-line comment, that is the code below will print the words hello world to the screen and it is amazing. Okay, this is the comment in which we have written the comment in two lines, right? Previously we have discussed about single line comment which will last for only one line. Here the multi-line comment is written in two lines, right? If you are going to see, multi-line comment is written in two lines using the forward slash asterisk at the beginning and asterisk followed by forward slash at the ending. Okay, the printf hello world is written, a statement is written over here. Okay, this is how we are going to indicate the multi-line comment. We can write as many of lines like this in between forward slash asterisk and asterisk forward slash. With you can write as many of lines you can. Okay, yeah. So this is about the multi-line comment. So and also there is a one point you need to remember. Just a second. Okay, when to use the single or multi-line comments, it is up to you which you want to use. Okay, it is up to you which you want to use, but normally we use single line comments for short comments and multi-line comments for longer comments. Okay, it is better to know. This is one thing you need to know. Before C99, which is the version of C language released in 1999, we could only use only multi-line comments in C. There is no single line comments at that point of time. Single line comments are introduced later versions. Okay, this is the point that you need to know. Okay, initially we have only multi-line comments. Later, as the versions are increased or the versions are developed or the versions are found, we have they have included the single line comments in the C programming language. Okay, and also you need to remember one point. We can't nest the multi-line comments. Can't able to nest the multi-line comments in the sense you can't able to do like this. You are writing one comment, multi-line comment. In between, you can't able to use another multi-line comment like this. See, you can't like write like this. If you write, then you will get an error. See, let's see what's the error we are going to get it. See, we are getting error. Okay, can't able to nest multi-line comments. Okay, instead you can't able to nest multi-line comments, but you can nest single line comment in multi-line. You can nest single line comment in multi-line. See, I'm going to nest single line comment in multi-line. This is the single line comment. I'm going to give some of the matter like this random. Okay, in multi-line comment I have used the single line comment. This is valid. In multi-line comment you can use single line comment, but in multi-line comment you can't able to use multi-line comment again like this. Like this you can't able to use it. So this is the point you need to remember when it comes to the multi-line comment. This is the most important point. Okay, so that only we are going to see these things. Okay, all the above part is commented, whereas this part is not commented. Why? Because I have used multi-line nesting comments, but multi-line nesting comments gives you an error. Okay, whereas single line comment nesting in the multi-line comment will be accepted, but multi-line comments nested in the multi-line comments itself is a error, leads to an error. Okay, yeah, that's it. Let me summarize this video for you. Just a second. This is the summary of the video. Okay, we use 2 forward slashes for the single line comment, and we use 1 forward slash followed by asterisk to start the multi-line comment, and to end the multi-line comment we use asterisk followed by forward slash. And you need to remember a point, that is single line comments can be nested in the multi-line comments, but the multi-line comments can't be nested in the multi-line comments. This is the point you need to remember. That's it for the video. Thank you guys. Have an hands-on experience. Okay, there is nothing to have an hands-on experience on these comments, but reminding videos who should have an hands-on experience.